Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's video I would like to show to you how to make a 3D text and then put it on a video. First you need to open your Canva to make the 3D text by sweeping left this toolbar and then you click the apps button here. Click it, and then after that you can type text maker and then click search. Then click these apps, and after that wait for a moment, and after that you can choose the design that this apps is already give to us. For example, I would like to use this design, and then click it, and after that here you can change the text, or maybe you want to use it just like that, and you can change the font of the text. And now we'll try to use this font, and after that on the effects you need to add the 3D effects here just by clicking it. You can adjust the depth of the 3D by clicking the plus symbol, and the second one there's a 3D depth too. Let it on, and then you can adjust the depth from the shadow, and after that click add to design, and then make the design a little bit bigger, and after that download the design. Don't forget to change it to PNG. Wait for a moment. Done, and download it. After you finish to download it, back to your home screen and then open your VN editor, and then for example I already prepare a video here. For example, I would like to use this video, and then how to add the text that we already saved is by clicking this symbol of plus button here. Click it, and then click sticker, and after that click imports, and here click add, and then default, and click the file apps, and then click the design that you already saved from Canva, and after that scroll up and click the design and back to your video, and after that click the design and swipe left the toolbar until you found blending. On blending you can choose the darken blending, and then click apply and make the design a little bit bigger, and now it's done. That's the way how you to add a 3D text on your video using Canva and VN editor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.